Hand can't hit the other one either, man.
Do it!
Oh my God!
Yeah.